I could have browsed for another hour, but I cut myself off. I got a few pieces and I want to show them off for you today. Let's start the video by opening up these two. I think this first one is almost a romper, but it had an open back. Yes, I was right. They are shorts, but they have a long sleeve. It's open in the back, just a swoop neck in the front. I have a dress as well I got years ago, I think from Forever 21, that also has cherries on it. Am I in a new cherry kick? I don't know. Let's see, next one. This is quite sheer. Where the chest is, there's an extra layer of fabric, so it's actually not sheer. Wait, right where your titties would be. So that's nice. Nothing will poke through. You could actually probably wear this without a bra, which is perfect because the rest of it is sheer. As you can see, it ties in the front. A lot of this, because where I live, I'm gonna have to wait until next spring and next summer to wear some of these pieces, but that doesn't mean that I can't take pictures of them and try them on for you today. Let's see. This is just a cotton dress. Kind of has a little bit of a sweetheart neck. It has the tie in the front. Although it's light pink, I actually like tying pinks in with a lot of neutral colors in the fall and kind of have that pink just be your pop of color. Even though, again, it's getting colder here, I'll find myself wearing this before the end of the year. In no particular order, we'll open up this one. This is a teen... Wow, this is a lot shorter than I thought it was. Oh, but it's a skirt. Okay. It does have built-in shorts. I thought this was really, really cute. I'm sorry, my camera is quite high, but with the try-on, you'll see everything. But there are a few tops, and there are a few things in here as well I was thinking of pairing with this. Oh my God, I have the perfect pair of shoes. I can't even wait to try this on with everything. Wait until you see if it looks like... Okay, this is something blue, but it looks sheer and it looks lacy. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this one was so cute. I was really excited about this. I believe it's another kind of skirt. Yes. Oh, sorry. But these are like better than pockets. I love dresses and skirts that have the built-in shorts. Oh, kind of wish I got this in black now because I would totally wear this tonight. Oh, it's so cute. I love these little frilly, almost skater skirt kind of dresses where you can dress them up or you could almost dress them down as well. This is a little one. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Oh my gosh. I thought this was almost a joke shirt, but I did want to get, I thought I could style a really cute outfit in it. I want to get a little bralette and be able to style this t-shirt. It might look funny in the try-on. I'm not sure how I'm going to censor this one just yet. I don't think I have the proper attire. I know I don't have a bralette to go with this one, but even, I don't know, even like a little pink bralette or something would go with this. But even with that little skirt I showed, I giggled when I saw this one on the model and I knew I had to get one for myself. I got something red. Oh, I did. Oh, okay. I'll show you this one anyway. It's kind of for Christmas. So I'm not even going to actually put it on right now because we'll do a whole try on with it. But I'll give you a sneak peek if you do happen to watch this video. But it's a little bow. I was going to do like a Christmas present sort of themed photo shoot again. So I saw this and it was only a few bucks. So I knew I had to grab it. But this actually needs to go into my Christmas stuff. Oh, this one is really similar. The cherry shirt that I showed you that tied in the front. Pretty much the exact same style of shirt. Just different fabric, of course, different color. Kind of gave me that 70s, 80s frilly, what is it, bat wing vibe on the sleeve. I'm trying to remember what I got before I open up the package. We got something black. I see butterflies. What on earth? Oh, okay. These did not look like what they looked like on the model. They're tights. If they didn't have the butterflies, I would wear them with my costume today. Yeah, so they're tights, but they have the opening, and then there are butterflies. I didn't notice that on the model, but that's cute regardless. I do like them, but I was very confused for a minute about what the heck those were. Okay, we have, I think, 5 more bags, including an accessory. I'm gonna save the accessory for last. I think these 2 is part of the outfit I was trying to put together, so we'll open these, I guess. We'll start with this gray one. This was kind of just a comfy one-piece romper. It has a knot in the front. Again, kind of just a cotton sort of warm sweater material. So I figured even if I wore it with like a leather jacket and some boots, I could get away with wearing it for the season. Oh, this might actually be a skirt too. Really, really frilly, girly skirt. Look, it's got ribbons and everything. Obviously, I have to tie those into bows. Shorts? Yes. These have shorts as well built in. I'm pretty excited for the next couple of pieces. I know what they are. So let me show you. So again, honestly, either one. You could do the pink skirt or the white skirt, okay? And then I saw these. Should I go out with these tonight? Oh, they're so cute. It's a bra. Oh, come on. So this with one of the skirts, and then we're not even done. And then a little jacket. I'm going to put this on right now. Oh, it's a little cropped jacket. I'll show you with everything, but I'm wearing this out tonight. I should have got it in black too. The thing is I get a lot of my stuff in black, so I try to get color, and then I'm like, should have also got black. I've been trying on everything to this point. I just want to put this quick outfit together that I had in mind. I do have a pink bow as well. Oh my god. I don't have pink kitty ears, but I do have pink bunny ears, which still looks cute. Oh, which still looks... Obviously, the cat makeup is crazy, but wait a second. And then... Are you freaking kidding me? I want to try to show you the whole outfit as best as I can. I'll take pictures of everything so you guys can see the whole getup on my Instagram, but... Oh my... Should I have gone as a pink bunny? Oh my gosh, the hood has lace on it too. How cute. Should I have gone as a pink bunny instead of a black cat? I'm a little disappointed now. My black cat is really cute. I still really love it, but now I'm like, shoot, this is so cute. I look crazy right now, but I am so, oh my gosh, I almost forgot the last thing. It's a little tiny bag, and this time I did get a neutral color. It does come with that blue thing, but I think it's just plastic, yeah. Peel that off. Oh, how cute. Oh, it comes with a crossbody string as well. It's like big enough to hold your phone and like an ID and lip gloss or something, but how cute. Alright guys, that is it for my Shein haul. I am so happy with everything that I got. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please go ahead, leave me a like. Also, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any new videos, and I'll see you in my next one.